Oh shit. Hey, what is up guys? In today's video we're going to be testing the JLB Racing Cheetah. Now, so you can get an idea how big this thing is. This thing is pretty massive actually. So this is a ready to run RC car. And I've never really been into RC cars, and this thing, after I got this, I'm just absolutely in love, to be honest. It's my second hobby now, it's going to be. So yeah, we're going to take it out for a drive. I did a little review earlier and most of you were like, oh, why don't you do the video footage of you driving it? And actually it wasn't really useful. So today I connected a cam on this guy and also cam on my head, and just recorded some footage. So hopefully it's good enough, and let's just get started. Alright guys, so today we're going to be taking a look at the JLB Racing. Now, I've already reviewed this, but I didn't have the video footage, and hopefully we're going to have nice footage. I do have a camera on board. Now this thing is running a 3S, and out of the box it's insane. It's so difficult to tame. The shocks on it are really nice. Holy crap, hopefully that camera is grabbing good footage. I don't want this thing to flip over just yet. So quick. Whoa. As you can tell, the shocks are on there. We're handling most of these bumps really good for the amount of speed this thing is rocking here. If you take a look at it, this thing is a monster. Actually, let's put it next to a quad so you get an idea here. So yeah, as you can tell, there's a Copus 2, and yeah, there's a huge difference there. Hopefully that camera is still recording in there. I can't tell, but we'll figure that out later. So that's the Firefly, it's a new camera. So let's... Goodness, this thing is so quick. Let's try to do a speed run, kind of. Oh my god. Whoa! Reviews of RC cars on my channel, because this is so addictive. God damn, this thing is quick. God damn it. No, 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 no. Awesome. Whoa! Oh, I just braked too fast. This thing is awesome. Let's fix the camera real quick. This thing is insane. I'm in love here. Alright, so wish I could burn out somewhere. Oh, it's so difficult to show you this real on the camera. I gotta brake a little before turning because I don't want this thing to flip over. There we go. Oh shit. That dented my car, that's for sure. It's still running. Both of them are still running. Yeah, that was a pretty big hit right there. Let's take a look. So yeah. Yeah, this thing is a monster. It's an absolute monster. You can't even push. Alright, let's try it again. Let's try a pass, but from that side. Sorry about the wind. Cover the mic a little. Alright, so we're gonna try, hopefully you guys can see that. We're gonna try to do a full pass now. Oh, let's go a little bit further actually. So I'm running on the 3S. People are saying on 4S is a lot quicker. But the thing is, a 4S is killing it. Alright, let's go for full. Okay, now I just punched full throttle. Oh let's go again. So I'm punching, I got it full throttle right now. Alright. Now it's a little bit easier because, well, that's actually fun. Let's go do that. Sorry about the audio quality, there's a lot of wind right now. Yeah. You have no idea how much fun this is. It's not like a quad you're gonna have to worry about losing it and then finding it. Boom. Oh my god, I love those shocks on it. This is just yeah. Awesome. So can it Yeah, so check this out. Check out the wheels here when I go full throttle. This is pretty crazy. That's how fast this thing is. There we go. Let's go for a jump here. Oh, we gotta fix the camera. I don't even know if this camera's still recording, actually. So yeah, by the way, I broke the tail the other day. Oh, it is recording. That's awesome. All right, let's drop this down a little bit like this. All right. Awesome. Let's go more full speed passes. Oh my goodness. It takes time to tame this thing. You gotta have some skills to tame it. Now I'm punching full throttle. This is so freaking awesome. It's crazy because you don't even gotta worry about it. Put it down, throw it, go. By the way, I'm not even going past 45% throttle here. Every once in a while, there now it's full throttle. The battery's dying, so that's why it's a little bit easier to take. Alright, so something came off. I think it's the camera. Alright guys, so that's completed for this video. The battery's kind of on the low side and I want to keep this as maximum as possible, so I don't want to ruin the battery. So I'm going to go for a charge and we'll come back and then take it out for another drive. So this thing is an absolute beast, and it's just hell of a lot of fun to ride this thing. It's insanely fun to just drive this thing around. So yeah, well, that's gonna conclude for my review of the JLB Racing. Peace out, guys.